establishing of Academy of Business Incubator in Agriculture, Art, Dairy, Music, Pottery, Sculpture and Entrepreneurship at Diyarbakh Educational Institute. DEI has over the years emerged as one of the leading institutions in skill development and a pioneer in the use of technology. It is imparting skills, leading to entrepreneurship through research and development with presence of 300 outreach centers in India and more than 15 centers abroad. It is running live lectures, demonstrations with hands-on training. DI has worked on grand vision of Handmade in India for the world with a focus towards unorganized sector. It is creating and supporting micro entrepreneurs, leading to marketing and distribution opportunities and undertake capacity building for each stakeholder. The industry proficient DI alumni are being identified and encouraged for startups in an octopus manner. This would act as one of the leading hubs to bring together Indian and international experts, researchers, institutions for knowledge exchange and best practices, sharing by leveraging the expertise developed at DI along with a vast professional network of prestigious universities of the world with whom they have MOUs. To name a few, in US, University of Maryland, Michigan, Missouri, Stanford, Rochester and California, in Canada, University of Waterloo, in Germany, Kiel, Netherlands, Hand University. This will be a key advantage that can be critical to the long-term success of the Academy. Some of the operational elements that will help achieve its objectives include train the trainer. Workshops are being conducted through well-trained instructors which have a combination of theoretical and practical skill building along with interactive sessions using ICT tools. Training for micro-entrepreneurship, various activities, sessions are being organized to explore the students to enable them to find and test local markets, hearts, selling directly by interacting with customers. Students are also being trained on developing market for the products through web for showcasing to the global customer. Support for micro entrepreneurs. DI and its centers around the country are already working towards integrating rural outreach with mainstream with its recent initiatives of connecting Rural Economic Zone REZ to SEZ Special Economic Zones. Incubator is creating outreach opportunities for Indian and international researchers, other institutions who want to utilize the facilities to reach out to large number of beneficiaries using the infrastructure and technology from various centers. Extremely positive results have come out of the numerous case studies done in agriculture and textiles where DI has a strong hold and experience of more than 3 decades. Indian textile industry has made a big impact in the $108 billion that is the second largest employer in India after agriculture, employing some 40 million directly and another 60 million indirectly. Academy of Business Incubator is having a clear and feasible revenue generation plan too. The revenue streams identified are small commissions on micro entrepreneurs, products sold through the center's initiatives, consultancy for corporate social responsibility (CSR) projects in various sectors. Academy of Business Incubator in Agriculture, Art, Dairy, Music, Pottery, Sculpture, Textiles and Entrepreneurship at Dialbagh Educational Institute had been thought keeping the long-term 100% sustainability in mind, leveraging the young Indian population for Made in India for the world. Thank you.